Good morning everyone, so it's currently 11:15 and we're going to be spending most of the rest of the morning at the beach and also collecting shells. Oh, look at this shell. Keeping that. Right, it's so hard to escape now because I don't really want to say this out loud, but there's actually ladies here that don't wear bras to the beach. So now I've got to be, the topless, so now I've got to be careful like where I have my camera. So we thought, if we come to the beach, there might not be ladies here, but it seems like there is. That's one thing I couldn't do. No way. Literally so hot today, my face cloth keeps drying out.
We've got a bottle of water, so if it dries out, I can wet it.
Just had to purchase before we came to the beach.
You didn't have to, because I know.
Yeah, I know that, but
They gave me a discount.
yeah.
That's what we've had all the days.
This African man, I think they are Africans, aren't they? I think they are kind of desperate. They'll make you go and look at things and they'll give you a discount for you to buy something.
Yeah, but we don't return a nose at discount.
So these were meant to be €15 and he let me have them for 12 and some sunglasses. And I don't know how often I'll wear them because they're bigger than these ones and I've only got a child size face.
Yeah, but discount, you're not going to turn up.
No. This sand is completely different. It's hot. I think it's more grittier.
What sand is?
I thought it was going to be more softer as it's a different country. Yes, we're going to spend a few hours here. It depends how hot we get. And I'm going... Yeah, and then I'm going to probably collect some more shells because I like shell collecting. Yeah. Speak to you guys soon. Guys, I have just found this shell. It looks like a unicorn horn. I'm not sure if it's focusing because I can't really see my screen because of the sun. That's so cool. So I have my bag of shells that I've been collecting and I've made this massive pile right here. So I've been lifting up all this sand because you get different shells underneath. Give them a wash when I get back. And look at this nice sea. So cool. Okay everyone, so we have just got back from the beach. We decided it was a little bit boring, but now it's 12:10. So we are going to probably go and sit around the pool for a bit, maybe go back in the pool. Yeah, and I found something for the dogs. So I've got 2 packs of these. I think they're a different country dentist stick, so they'll enjoy those. And I am sweating. I'm about to buy more goggles because them ones, I just can't get along with them. I can't breathe very well, and then I panic when I'm underwater. But even though you don't breathe underwater anyway, I think I'll just rather hold my nose. So there's loads of sand in my bag from my towel, and I've collected some more shells, so I'm just going to wash those. These are literally really tiny one in here somewhere. But if I find it, I'll show you guys. So I'm going to go and wash these and probably splash water on my face. So everyone, we're just waiting to go to dinner, and I decided I want to tell you guys something about what happened this morning. So we obviously got up because we got our wake-up call at 7:30 in the morning, and me and this little one was having snuggles on the bed, and I think it's a she. So she brung in a friend, a tabby cat, and I will insert a picture of that cat now. And Simon, I'm still calling it Simon, likes to sleep underneath the coffee table. And as we was having snuggles this morning, she saw the tabby cat go to the coffee table. She shot off the bed and chased him out. Didn't you? You're so beautiful. Yeah. So we've not been in the pool yet. We're going to go there after. Got my new sunnies. I'm actually glad I got these right now.
It's not like fitting my shoulders.
Literally, I can't wait because after we've been in the pool, I'll be able to put sun cream on better because now it feels like I'm covered in grit.
Covered in grit?
Grit. Like when you put a sun cream on, it's really rough because you've still got sand on you. And it's meant to be anti-sand protection.
Can you keep this one on?
Put whatever you feel comfortable in.
I've had that one on rest of the week, haven't I?
I just keep alternating mine all the time.
Yeah, but my catcher's there.
Well, you have to do what you feel comfortable in.
What do you feel when you keep saying one up?
It depends if how comfortable I was. It's up to you. You go with the comfort when you got sunburn. Don't you, Simon?
Straighten it up for me and start first. If these are a bit pull, I can pull them down, can't I?
Yeah. Well, come on, ladies come around here topless.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Straighten it up.
So you could go topless.
No!
Literally, if you did that in the UK, you'll probably get a fine.
You'd get arrested.
Different country, different rules, I'm guessing.
It's like when they're at the beach and all the other massive lockers out.
Yeah, it's weird because like they do it even though there's kids about, but the kids aren't really bothered.
Could put a marking on that, I have to say something.
Yeah, I couldn't.
We should remember.
Right, so we are going to go for dinner. Go and try and get this little one outside. Mwah. I love you. I really want to put her in my suitcase. She's a right princess. So guys, it's just gone 4:30 and I decided to go gift shopping because otherwise we'll be falling to sleep in there.
I'll fall asleep quickly.
Yeah, I know you would. Ooh. What? Have you noticed with that door, when you pull it, the wall cracks?
Yeah, I know.
Eeh. There's no ships in the horizon today.
No, it goes to Titanic.
No, it goes to the Titanic. So that's warmer than the pool. I think we should experience going in there, swim with fish. Because it's warmer than the pool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's what I want to do definitely before we go home, is have a little swim in the Atlantic Ocean. The bag's not even fastened. But my phone will be going back in there soon.
You want to go swimming it, so you go down in your closet with something over it.
Yeah, because there's actually fish in there. And what kind of sea, when you go to seaside places?
Stand right in the shallow bit and there's fish.
Yeah, I've never seen that in like any other seaside place.
Well, never the seaside places got going but you see like this, hasn't it?
And those green shells with crabs inside. Are they hermit crabs? Do they have green shells?
Yeah, hermit crabs have shells.
Yeah, but do they have green shells?
Yeah, very good shell.
Because it's green, ones with green shells and there's also ones with white shells.
Yeah, hermit crabs do have shells.
I know that. Once in primary school, I can't remember what year I was in, but the whole school had to do, like, make something out of a small plant pot, and mine was a hermit crab. And I didn't even win out.
Remember, I had a making, didn't I?
I think I was like in year 5 or 6.
Yeah, it would have been such a big thing.
But in year...
It's a Spanish pigeon.
Birdie! I think in year 7 or 8, I actually won a Spanish competition. That was the first ever competition I ever won. And I won a Malteser Easter egg. Because my post-it came first. I'm like, wow, I can't even win any competitions in English thingies, but if it's something to do with a different country, I'll win it. Jeez.
Look at the back of my legs.
What about them? What? A tiny little bit. A ship, but I won't be able to pick up on here.
Yeah.
Got a stone on my shoe. Got a stone on my shoe. Well, not exactly a shoe. I noticed earlier my star trainers have a massive hole underneath. See, I can just go in with my sandals anyway because it'll be hot over here.
When we go to airport.
And then it's not like we're waiting around when we get back to England anyway.
No, it's just in the car.
Straight home, have my first cup of tea at week.
And then bed.
Well,
time we're done.
Well, I said the dogs could have a treat as soon as I get back. They can have one of those Spanish dentist stick things.
As long as we're not giving one in the morning.
Oh well, doesn't matter. You get a treat from me.
And you'll get up that following morning.
And I'll be like, if I wake up at 7, I'll be 7:30, I'll be like, where's the plane? Where's the alarm clock?
Well, as well thing goes, it's the same time as the UK, so there's no time.
Yeah, that's one thing I'm gonna miss. Like when I went to Blackpool, I missed the morning.
That's why I was in a good place.
This week, Blackpool.
Definitely.
Yes, it does. I just don't like the road.
We're going out tomorrow then for a swim in this week. Put our costumes on under a top,
Yeah.
shorts, take a towel. We don't need to get dried down there because we'll dry in this seat anyway.
Oh, that means it's gonna feel gritty when you put sunscreen on again. I literally had to go for a shower after I got back from pool.
But you put sunscreen on before you go. Wash it off when we get back and put some more sunscreen on.
I said to give us fresh towels.
If not, I'll go and ask when I get back. It's been 3 days ago now since we had fresh towels. We're supposed to do it every 2.
Literally, there's cables poking out everywhere from ground.
Just remember, save some euros for the airport. We're sat in there a couple of hours before we fly. We'll watch something to eat.
Yes.
Because there's a Burger King in the airport over here.
Are you going to like get a souvenir from airport?
No, we see expensive Darwin airport.
Yeah, I know that. I'm on about like the Spain, the Fuerteventura airport.
Yeah. About stuff from over here. There's Fuerteventura on it.
Yeah, I know I didn't really like the plain hot chocolate. That was like the rankest thing I've ever tasted.
It tastes like cardboard.
Yeah, it tastes like cardboard, and it also tasted like very anemic cocoa pop milk.
but warm.
So yeah, I didn't like that hot chocolate at all. So I do want to try one of those toasty things on the plane. I didn't really like the plain chips either. Those were a bit funny.
But you paid $3.50 for a small box of macaroni chips.
Yeah.
Are you going to try toasted?
Yeah.
I've got no English money left, but I think they might accept yours.
I've got a tenner in English money left and a few pound coins.
I've got nothing to buy anything on there with, so I'll have to have something to airport.
Oh my god, I can feel my back burning.
I'll have to have something to airport.
So everyone, we've not long been back from tea. I had to come back early because I didn't feel too well. Because I had a massive crepe and it kind of upset my tummy. So I am going to end the vlog because I'm going to go and rest and I need to go to the shop and get some drinks for later. So thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Rate, comment, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I love you all and I'll do another video soon.